Okay.
So, Rosa, tell me a little bit about who you are.
Dad loved baking bread, and when we were little he would bake bread for Mum every morning before leaving for work. He'd work hard, make a beautiful bread. The house would be filled with the smell of bread. We found online this unit. We realized, wow, Neath is actually really amazing and it's bustling with people. We were shocked when we first came here how many people were just going by on a daily basis. Had so many lovely people come in. I thought maybe 20 loaves a day, but no, we've been making 125 loaves a day. The response has been amazing, and the people are really kind and really welcoming. When you bake, you take things that simple ingredients and then mix them together, and it doesn't necessarily look so beautiful in the bowl, but as you work on it, as you lovingly, caringly work with it and learn, you create something really beautiful. Take a lot of inspiration from Romanian cuisine because my mom is Romanian. Romanians are really good at balancing flavors of sweet and sour. They have amazing fresh fruit there, the tastes we've grown up with and enjoyed. So it's just sharing that, the good tastes we've had with others. If people could take away one thing from visiting Neath, we're welcoming and that we care for people and that we're a community. We're always smiling. Service with a smile is our rule here.